Warranty Solutions and Affordable Medical, USA.com. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the brand new Maxima new design. It's the four-wheel. Been waiting for this for a very long time. Your back order on these. Very nice scooter, brand new design. We've had a few three wheels gone. We have one left that just sold. This is the four wheel. So it's gonna come like this. You're gonna need two people. It's gonna be heavy. Take advantage of the white glove delivery where someone will bring this to your house, unbox, show you how to use it. This is the seat, this is the unit. You can get optional seats. Check out our spec page. Give you all your options that you can choose from. There's two colors, a blue and a red. I forgot which one this is. When you do a drop ship and it looks like this, you're good. If the box is completely destroyed, please refuse it or take lots and lots of pictures. It really helps us. Here's your packaging slip. So if you're ordering like accessories, like bags or whatever, make sure you check this to make sure you got everything that was shipped. So this is an Ocean. I'm gonna take the seat out real quick. This is heavy. The seat's about 53 pounds and 22 wide by 18 and depth that can be adjusted to 22 depth. So I'm just cutting this with a Mel opener. And this is what it looks like when it comes in. So it'll be a box. This will have your 90 degree. This should have your arm pads. And then here's your seat. So it's a heavy seat, made well, it's nice. Capped in with a headrest. Should be everything packaged well. There's your headrest. So I'm going to just put this to the side. I'm going to have Justin come in and put the arms on. All this stuff's extremely simple, very easy to do. There's your arms. And I'm gonna show you this stuff. I'm gonna have them just put it together real quick. It's a little tool you use to tighten up. It's very simple. Let's get to the scooter. So this is a 500-pound weight capacity. At the ground clearance, it's 2.25. This unboxing we'll do a little walk around video. This is actually for someone. It's kind of in a crate to protect it, but you should be able to just pull this. It's stapled down here. We didn't see that on the last one. But it is stapled down here. That will prevent it from coming up, so check that out. J-Dog, grab me a hammer. So once you open this, here's your basket, your mirror, your manual with your key, your charger. We're gonna pull that out, put that to the side. All right, so what we had to do, guys, sometimes you just pull this box right up. I don't know what it's gonna be like if you get it drop shipped, but there's staples there and staples all around this. So you gotta pull that out. We kind of use the hammer a little bit, but you can do it with your hands. Now we're just gonna remove this right up. Once you remove the box, this is what you got covered up. So get some scissors, whatever you gotta do, start taking this off. Check for any damages while you're doing it. Take lots of pictures, please. Usually you won't have any problems with shipping, especially with this unit because of the way they package it. And subscribe to our video. We got some cool products coming that not many people really know about. So we got some new relationships we built. Really excited. So just take that off. You're gonna have there's a little thing right here that will bring this up. And this is important. You see a lot of people doing videos and they're riding around, but we like to give it a full 100% charge, so make sure you try to do that. That's just what the factory says, so we do it, and that's probably the best thing, to top off your batteries when they come in. So you see, it's pretty much almost together. I got J-Dog over there putting the seat together for me, which is really easy, but just trying to speed up the process. This right here just comes right off. Here's your batteries in here. Now, this is adjustable in height. These are 22NF batteries. I can change the batteries up. If you add an elevated seat, power elevated seat, you'll have smaller batteries in here. You'll have U1 batteries, I think it comes. So these are already hooked up. If you want to just double check the connections, make sure they're tight. Just do that. We're going to plug this right into here. Didn't make it too easy, but it's really not that hard, especially if you slow down. I'm actually going out of town tomorrow, so I'm trying to get this in because we just got it today or yesterday. We're excited, and you can take this strap and tighten it up if you like. This one's going to a guy. He's been waiting very, very patiently for it. We only ordered 4 of them, and it takes the glue to do this. So we got a couple more. Blue one to do the unboxing. I wish we would have picked the red. So once you get this in here, which they make it, it's one thing I don't like about this scooter is this little flimsy thing they put on it. Make sure you get your batteries back. This has got to be over, so that's why I have that a little loose. Pride makes some good stuff. This is a good workhorse scooter. A couple things I don't like about it. Get that in there. Is these little things, which I guess it makes it easy for the tech. And we're pretty much done besides taking these off. I like to save these, so I'll save them. Nice. Save these for the roller ramps, J-Dog. So the bumper guard on the 3-wheel wraps all the way around the front. The bumper guard on the 4-wheel is just on the sides. Doesn't wrap the whole front. Don't think the picture shows it doing that. I'll check that. Back here, it's just this can come out and you can release that. And we're just going to roll it right off. All right, so we got them put together, the arms on. These are adjustable in height. And these are also adjustable in width. You can adjust this up and then tighten it down with that set screw. Let's put this right on. And again, you can adjust the height of the seat up too. We showed you. On both sides. You have a swivel seat, but not a slider. So there's a video of us adjusting the seat back some for a little bit more leg room. We suggest doing it. Don't think this is all the way back. If you go back, there's a couple of screws. The guy that's getting this isn't very tall, so we'll probably leave it like it is. Here's your reclining back headrest. We'll put this back in lock. Charger's right here. Just put this on charge overnight. This would, you unplug this. So you have questions, you can put in a comment, you can email us, you can go to our website. There should be a link to the website for this unit. There's a lot of stuff on there. You can probably answer all your questions. Give us a call, 803-926-2224. You guys for Chris. So what you do with this is you take it right here and you plug it right into this port right here. Then you can also, that's a cell phone charger. It's got lights on the front. The new lights kind of shine on the ground a little bit in front of you. This is what they told me when they're selling it, and it does. It's an extra little information about the charger, so I'll take that out and put it in your manual, because the manual won't have as much information about the charger as that charger does. Put that in there. Here's your manual, so in every language you can think of. And then your serial number is right here, so save this. It's important. There's a little chart pocket back here that you can put it at. Well, we'll put it at for right now. Your key, there's 2 keys. This should be your spare key. There's your main key. Just plug that right into here and turn it on. Speed knob, blinkers, lights, hazard lights, horn, and you have an extra brake assembly, but it has the magnetic brake. It stops automatically. We'll turn that back off before we start operating it. Optional mirror on the right side or left side. Just flip this around. They only send 1. If you need 2, please add that with checkout. Just tighten this up a little bit. So subscribe to our channel. Check us out at affordablemedicalusa.com. This is the Maxima 4-wheel. It's the SC941-1. There'll be in the link information more about it in the description below, and a link to the page where you can purchase it or give us a call.